Everybody busy tonight. Joanna.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on the easiest way to make a wig in just 30 minutes. So if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this wig. It's just so easy. It took me about 30 minutes to make this wig, and then it took about 30 minutes to lay the closure sleek like this, and to make it kind of look like a lace frontal. So the hair I'll be using today is from Today Only Hair Company. I'm going to leave all the hair specs in the description box below. So now let's just get right into the tutorial. Hi guys, so this is what the packaging looks like. So this is the lace closure. It's a free-way part lace closure, and this is what a bundle looks like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and place the lace closure and start by sewing down my lace closure. So now I'm done sewing down the lace closure. I'm going to go ahead and start with the first bundle. I ended up using 3.5 bundles for this style. As you guys can see, I'm using my glue gun. I applied the glue and then I applied the weave. And then I press it down to secure it properly. So now I'm done with the first bundle so quick. I'm going to go ahead and begin with the second bundle. So now I'm done with the second bundle. I'll begin with the third one.
Try to understand, they call me Peter Pan. Let's fly, be my Wendy, but we might not never land. Your love is only worth the love of classy gentlemen. You say I'm one of them, so let me be your man. Come on. I'm not leaving, no. This love got me dreaming, yeah. I know what you need, and I'll be here in the morning. No more thinking, don't cry, we ain't leaving, no. One love, I'm believing.
So this is 3 bundles so far. You can actually get away with 3 bundles, but I like my wigs to be very full. So now I'm gonna start with the 4th bundle, but I didn't finish the 4th bundle. I only used half of it. So now I'm done making the wig. So what I do is that I just take my black eyeliner and then just apply on the white area. So right here I'm just gonna go ahead and create my side part. You can do a middle part if you want. After creating the side part, I'm gonna go ahead and twist the part. And then here I'm just tweezing the closure, at least to make it look more natural. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace. So here I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner and then apply it on the hair. just using my flat iron to lay the lace closure flat, and then I'm going to apply my concealer on the parts to give it a more natural look. So right here I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. And I'll be creating my baby hairs, which is totally optional. So yeah, I'm just spraying a little bit of water on the hair, and then I'm going to comb it down and then brush it as well. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Mastercraft on the beat.